I have taught you the basic pointer devices. I taught you the rhyming scheme. Did you all understand the rhyming scheme? First thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. So you all got it, how we make the rhyming scheme. We give each line a specific letter. Do you remember that every line is given a specific letter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
if the first line rhymes with the second, then we give the same letter, else we give a new alphabet to it, right? We give a new letter to it. This is what I had explained to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first one was rhyming scheme. So I gave you the example, very simple example, that if suppose I say, I went to the market. Okay, so which letter will give? A. To buy
Yes, ma'am.
a doll. This will be given which letter? Is it rhyming with market?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So we will give
will give it
letter
Give it B.
ma'am D.
B. A tall man. Okay, is it rhyming with anything?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. We will name it C.
Correct, because
C.
man is not rhyming with anything. Man is not rhyming with anything, so it becomes C.
Ma'am, C. मैम राइमिंग वर्ड कैसे पता करते हैं?
बेटा ये कौन पूछ रहा है, पहले वो बताओ. Who is asking and speak in English?
मैम how rhyming word find?
How we find the rhyming words. Is it Riddhima?
Yes, ma'am.
रिद्धिमा, राइमिंग मतलब मिलते जुलते शब्द, जैसे आप हिंदी में करते हो. सो इज मार्केट राइमिंग विद एनीथिंग? मार्केट से
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, किससे कर रहा है बेटा मार्केट राइम, बताओ मुझे.
मैम मार्केट्स.
बेटा किस राइम क्या होता है? राइम होता है मिलता जुलता शब्द. राम शाम, जैसे हम बोलते हैं 8 पाठ. This is in Hindi that I'm explaining you. For example, doll, ball.
Ma'am, basket.
Cat, bat.
Ma'am,
See now,
basket.
wait. To see him there, we had to take a ticket. Now is it rhyming with any letter, any word?
Yes,
Market.
Ma'am, market.
Yes, ma'am. Market.
Ma'am, market.
Ma'am, it is rhyming with market.
Do?
We give it
We will write A.
A.
Yes, it is rhyming with A. It is rhyming with A. So we will write A. Now let me move ahead.
A. Yes.
Is it rhyming with anything?
No, ma'am.
No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
We will
No,
write. So what we will write?
Name it D. Ma'am, D.
Correct. We will give it D.
No,
So
ma'am.
we've given A, we have given B, we have given C, then it's a repetition, then we write D. Now let me see this one now again. Now is it rhyming with anything?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, yes. मैम बी।
Yes, ma'am.
मैम बी मैम टॉल के साथ मैच कर
Stall, right? So we went to another stall. Then let me do the. Is it rhyming with anything?
No ma'am.
No.
No.
No
Then we will give
E.
No, ma'am.
letter E.
Mark it
So we
E.
will give the letter E. So now if I ask you that, now listen. Now if I ask you that what is the rhyming scheme of this paragraph, you know, of this stanza.
Ma'am,
तो आप क्या बोलोगे?
Ma'am A B C A D B E.
The rhyming scheme will be, now see all of you just quiet please. Okay, the rhyming scheme will be A, then B, then C, then again A, then D, then it's rhyming with B and then E. So the rhyming scheme of this paragraph is A, B, C, A, D, B, E. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay, now very good, very good. Now let's move to the next one. The second poetic device that I'll teach you is alliteration. What is it? Alliteration. Okay, you remember what? Yes, alliteration. Do you remember what is alliteration?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? What is it?
Yes,
Ma'am, two consecutive word with starting word same.
Your voice is breaking. Can anyone explain what is alliteration? It is basically use of same letter. Okay.
Ma'am,
And which
Ravish,
letter
can I?
it has to be consonants. It has to be use of same letter consonants. Basically, or the sound. Or sound. Or sound. Okay. At the beginning of the words. Where do we see it? At the beginning of the words. Okay. For example, built.
Ma'am, set and straight.
Yeah, built a big boat. Now in this, if you will see, B is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
B is there.
Ma'am,
B is there.
ma'am built a big airboat.
Please see, we do not say the vowels. We will only see the consonants, and we will ignore the words like and, is. Okay, वैसे भी they are vowels, so we don't see them. We don't see conjunctions. We only see the first letter of the word if they come together in a single line. If they come in a single line, the first letter or the sound is same of the consonants, then it is your alliteration. I gave you an example. If it is our home, is it alliteration? Is it alliteration?
Ma'am, because H and H.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. How many of you say it is alliteration? It is alliteration.
yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is not alliteration. No, bachcho, no,
ma'am.
it is not. It is not alliteration. Now see why it is not alliteration. Your logic is correct that ma'am, in the beginning we have H. Both the H's there. They are consonants. Then why it is not alliteration? Because the sound is not the same. Home has her. H, her. But this R has vowel wala A.
Oh. मैम मीन्स हमें इसमें दोनों जरूरी कॉन्सेंट्स भी सेम होने चाहिए और साउंड भी.
English. Yes.
Ma'am, in this we need both consonants and sound start same.
Correct. We need to see the consonants and we have to see the sound. We cannot ignore. Okay. Let me give you one more example. This is king came. Is it alliteration now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all those
Ma'am,
who all those who are saying no ma'am is wrong beta. It is an alliteration. Why? King K ka sound is k. Came, C ka sound is k. So king came. This is alliteration. The letters are not same, but the sound is exactly the same. Okay, so it is
Yes.
alliteration. These kind of sentences are very few. ये बहुत कभी कभार होता है that you get these kind of sentences जो आपको confuse करे. Otherwise generally यही होता है कि first letter सबका same होता है and almost sound भी same होता है, so they are alliteration. इस तरह के sentences बहुत कम आते हैं, but you should know कि कैसे alliteration ढूंढना है. ठीक है? जैसे in this poem what is there? Sat up straight, right? Now in this, S, sir, straight, sir. So this is your alliteration. So in this
Ma'am, but
poem,
the up
yes,
is not
beta.
alliteration. Ma'am,
How
but
U is
up is
consonant? Beta, U consonant होता है क्या? U
No,
consonant
ma'am.
होता है? Simple. Consonant होना तो जरूरी है ना? U तो vowel होता है. It's a vowel. How can you say that sat up straight up ma'am is a alliteration? Simple. You have to see only and only consonants. Alliteration समझ में आया सबको?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Now the
ma'am.
next that we have is personification. Now what is personification? Who's going to tell me? I had explained personification yesterday. What is personification?
Ma'am, can I tell Lucky?
Yes, Lucky.
Ma'am, if non-living things talk in a poem, ma'am, then it is said personification.
Very good. But not only in poem, beta, we see it in a story also. They are all your literary devices also. Okay. They can be in anything. Very good. Very good. So any non-living thing, any animal, if given a character as a human, they behave as human beings. So characters, if they behave as basically all your non-living objects, if behave as characters of humans, they are your, that means it is personification. For example, if a fan is talking, fan, suppose, okay, my wings are slow, I am hurt. So now this means that the fan is assuming it to be alive. So that is why it is talking like that, and it becomes personification. Is it clear? Yes, someone was saying ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone was saying ma'am. Okay, I think it's clear. Personification is clear to all of you, bachcho?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good. The next one that we will do will be similes. Now, what are similes? I gave you an example where we compare, right? Where
Yes,
the comparison is done. And we use the words like, what kind
Ma'am,
of words?
as B, C, as B.
Correct. We
As
use
well as
the,
I
use the words as, like. Use the
Yes.
words as and like, right? Good. So example, as easy as, as cool as,
ma'am, as cool as
bumper.
Ma'am, as fast as snail.
Correct. As lazy as snail. He's not fast. As lazy as snail. Then you have, and if you have to use the
Ma'am,
words,
as fast as rabbit.
yes, brave like a lion, clever like a fox. Okay, so these are your comparisons. This is simile. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, as
ma'am.
cool as ice.
Let's cucumber. Basically, you got the concept, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, So this is clear. Brave like a lion, clever like a fox. Now this is simile. I think as of now for class 7, this is more than enough for all of you. The rhyming scheme, yeah. Repetition, I can explain one more. Let me go with repetition. There is
sister बच गई.
yeah, याद है आप लोगों को? Good. So वो उसकी sister का नाम था. Again, comparison is done in this, but we do not use the words. We do not use the words like or as, right? You all remember, please mute yourself. किसी का mic on है? Yeah, now it's fine. So we do not use the word. Please remember, in this we do not use the words as and like. So in this the example can be very simple. The example can be I am feeling blue. So how am I feeling? I'm feeling, it means I am feeling sad. Okay, I give you an example. Pen is mightier than the sword. Basically, it means that pen is more powerful. That is why, you know, when we were having a war for independence, when Indians, they were fighting the freedom fighters, they started newspapers, they started magazines, because they thought that that is a better way to approach. People will understand more. So pen is more powerful than the sword. So they started writing. They started spreading the word that, you know, we are being, we are just like slaves. We need freedom. They started writing the exploitation. So people all around used to get that Indians are being mistreated. And all over the world, Indians living, they came together because they could feel the pain. That is why today we listen to the news, we read the papers. So pen is mightier than the sword. So metaphor, we've compared pen with the sword, but we've not used the word as and like. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Six, the last one is repetition. Repetition means repeating of any word, any sentence, any phrase at the beginning, in the middle, or in the end of the sentence. Okay, it can be anywhere. For example, I'll say, and we bid bye. Bid means to say goodbye. Okay, and we bid bye to her. And then there is some line, as she was going back, and we bid bye to her. Now, this is your repetition, that any line that is repeated, any word, any in the beginning, in the middle, it could be the whole line. Okay, it could be the whole line, or it could be any particular word. It could be any sentence. It could be anything. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, so it can be word, phrase, repetition means repeating of any word, any phrase, line, or the whole stanza. The whole stanza can also be repeated. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And why we do? Very good. And why use repetition? Why repetition is used by the poets? So that, you know, it creates rhythm. So that it becomes good. When you sing a song, any song, let me just say that we sing any song, and after a paragraph is finished, the same line comes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, tell me any song. I'm forgetting any song. Give me any song. The latest one. Anything. Any song that you remember.
Tick,
Chalo,
tick, 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 tick. Kasam ye.
Yeah. Any song. Like, okay, I'll tell you. Have you heard that the famous song Apna Time Aayega?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you remember, he sings a paragraph and in the end he always says apna time aayega, right? Then he sings a paragraph, then he says apna time aayega. Now this is repetition. Okay, this is repetition. That is why it is done that way, so that we learn hamara attention. We don't know the whole song. Kisi ko bhi, I don't know if anybody remembers this, at least I don't. So what happened is we don't remember it, but we all remember apna time aayega, right? We all remember that line, apna time aayega. So we all sing that. So that is what is happening in the poetry also. Repetition is done so that we remember the poem, and it creates, you know, a beautiful rhythm. It creates our attention that, okay, the poem is about this. Like we know the song is about time. Apna time ke bare mein hai song. That our time will also come. So do you understand now what is repetition?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
We have discussed the devices now. That was the only thing in this chapter that I wanted to, because then in other poems you'll be able to locate the poetic devices yourself. I will share this file of poetic devices with all of you so that you all understand and you remember. Save it so that in next poems also you can see it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Great. So now we've done this, the poetic devices. Now I'll be sharing the